Okay, good morning everybody. Wanted to do a little bit of an experiment this morning. I'm gonna be shooting 3 shots. All 3 arrows are gold tip 400 traditionals. All 3 of them will have the 4 fletch gateway razors on a slight helical. I want to compare sound difference between a field tip on my first shot, and then my second shot will be a non-vented VPA, and my third shot will be a vented VPA. The non-vented's 150 grains, the vented's 125 grains, but this is just a comparison on sound. Um, I will be shooting my 50-pound Junxing F166 ILF recurve. It's doing really good. I'm actually very pleased with it for no more than what these things cost. Um, this thing's been put through the ringer. I won't be doing another review maybe today or one of the days soon on it. Just kind of a follow up after I got this back in January, and I put this thing through the ringer, and it's still going good. So let's get these 3 shots and see if this camera can pick up the sound difference. Okay, so that was first shot, field tip. Second shot was the non-vented head, and third shot was the vented head. Both broadheads, same design. Only difference between the two is one has cutouts, one does not. Um, Same blade profile, same blade thickness. I don't know if you was able to hear it on the camera. I'm gonna have to go back through, watch the footage, see if you can actually hear it. But there's a definite whistle to the vented head, and like I said, everything else being equal, the only difference is those vents cut out. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of an insight on sound difference between the two. Some people doesn't matter to. Some of us want the absolute quietest setup we can get. So hopefully this helps you guys, and